on my film Thin Line is now in cinemas nationwide from today, and I'm making this video to appeal to you for your support. Appeal to you for your support in any way that you can support me to help push the film. I've really tried to push regardless. I've really tried to push regardless, but at this point, I'm weak. I don't know when I'm going to get the strength to do this cinema. I'm weak. So please, anyhow you can assist me to push. I'm appealing to you. Please help me push Thin Line. This movie took blood and sweat. My team and I worked so hard, tirelessly on this project. We made an amazing film. We made a beautiful film. You're going to love it. The people who have seen it have given beautiful reviews. It's a movie you're going to love. It's an amazing film. So please, I'm going to try as much as possible to keep going. I'm going to try. But please, I'm weak. Just please, guys. I'm appealing to movie lovers, good movie lovers. Go to the cinema close to you today to see Thin Line. It's showing in all cinemas nationwide from today. I'm appealing to you to please help push my film, help repost on your stories anywhere, any way you can support me, I really appreciate it. Thin Line is now showing in cinemas nationwide. Go and see it.